morning, students. I am teacher Salunke TB from Sri Shivaji Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Aund, Pune. Students, in the previous session, I explained the topic gerund. I also explained how gerund is formed from the base form of the verb. We also discussed how to form gerund of the verbs spend and work. Students, in the previous session, I also told you gerund functions as the subject of verb, subject of linking verb, object of verb, and object of preposition. I also explained how gerund functions as subject of verb by taking two examples. In this session, we are going to discuss how gerund functions as the subject of linking verbs. Students, let us see two examples in which gerund functions as the subject of linking verb. I read the first sentence. Singing is good habit. Students, in this sentence, singing is gerund as it is formed from the base form of the verb sing and ing suffix, and therefore singing is gerund in this sentence. Students, if you look at this sentence carefully, you will notice that in this sentence the gerund singing is functioning as the subject of the linking verb is. Now let us come to the second sentence. I read the second sentence. Protecting environment is the necessity of future generation. In this sentence, protecting is a gerund. Protect is the base form of the verb, and I have added ing suffix to the base form of the verb protect, and this is how we have got the gerund protecting. In this sentence also, if you observe the sentence carefully, you will notice that protecting is functioning, the gerund protecting is functioning as the subject of the linking verb is. So in this way, gerund functions as the subject of the linking verbs. Students, now let us come to the next point, that is how gerund functions as the object of the verb. Let us look at the first sentence. I read the first sentence. I hate spending so much money. Students, in this sentence, spending is gerund and it is functioning as the object of the verb hate. If you ask a question to the verb hate, what do I hate? The answer is spending. And therefore, we can say that the gerund spending is functioning as the object of the verb hate. In the same way, let us look at the second sentence. I read the second sentence. I enjoy working in my office. In this sentence also, working is gerund. It is formed from the base form of the verb work, and I have added the ing suffix to the base form of the verb work, and this is how we have formed the gerund working. If you look at this sentence carefully, you will notice that working, the gerund working, is functioning as the object of the verb enjoy. Now let us come to the last point, how gerund functions as object of preposition. Let us look at the first sentence. We quit after finishing the meeting. In this sentence, finishing is the gerund and it is functioning as the object of the preposition after. Let us come to the second sentence. I read the second sentence. You go before doing anything here. In this sentence, do plus ing is a gerund and it is functioning as the object of the preposition before. Students, in this way, gerund functions as the subject of verb, subject of linking verb, object of preposition. Students, in the previous session, as I told you, gerund functions various roles in the sentence. So in this way, I have explained all the functions or roles of gerund in the sentence. I conclude my lecture here. I stop here. Thank you.